Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ehsani. I'm from Iran. I wanna learn you WordPress SEO. Actually, first of all, I excuse before because of my language. I learn language from several series and like Naruto Uzumaki. Actually, the Naruto Uzumaki is the best person in my life. Naruto Uzumaki and Sopranos series and something like that. And my English is not good, but I wanna learn you. So this is the things that I'm very excellent. You know, you can see my result. Top of five, top of five, top of five, top of five. You know, a lot of words that my website is top of five. You can this is my website and parsapishkhan.ir. This is a site created with WordPress, and you can see the result. 39,000 click per 28 days. And this is the first one I created, the YouTube channel, and I want to learn you WordPress so step by step. Follow me and be with me. I work. I have several websites. Parsapishkhan, Khane Man, and I have several websites. And I work in forex market, and this is two things that I work, and I want to learn you both of them. Thank you so much. Goodbye everyone.